Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the display hinges on a Dell Latitude 5490. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Remove base cover screws. Then use fingers to pry apart and remove base cover. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Now unscrew and remove bracket. Then disconnect and remove wireless card. Then unscrew and disconnect hard drive. Then unscrew and remove hinge covers. Then remove screws that secure display cable. Next unscrew, then remove bracket and display cable. Next unscrew, then remove display assembly. Now use fingers to pry apart and remove display bezel. Now unscrew and remove hinges. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.